Hey guys, this is Jeremy from Nelson Precision. We're out here today testing our little spoon suppressors. We're running it. We're gonna be running on our Sig 365. This one has our flat dark earth clear can. It's pretty cool. It's a multi-color, multi-tone FDE. A usual suspect, our G44 has a factory guide rod in it, and then we're gonna be running this can on my Stag. It's got the CNMG 22 conversion kit in it. Today we'll be shooting the Winchester super suppressed subsonic ammo. We got the Ely 40 grain match ammo. We got the Blazer, just standard velocity ammo. And then I also have some more subs that we have to get out of the bag, but we'll be running that too from Aguila. So let's go ahead. I got 15 rounds here loaded up. We'll go ahead and try it on the rifle. This thing's quiet, guys. This is in dirt. That was it. So, as you can see, this thing's, the bolt racking is louder than the shots. So I'll load up some more mags, we'll take some more footage. Excited, this is cool. Alright guys, we're gonna try our can now on our 322 Sig. It's running the same stuff. It's 45 grain, the Winchester super suppressed. So I got 20 rounds loaded up. This is only the first time, or about second time I've shot this gun, so we'll see how she goes. Not bad. I had a couple failures to lock back, but like I said, again, this is a brand new gun. I've only shot it twice. Did it once at CanCon. Maybe there's like, I don't know, 40 or 60 rounds through it, so not tons. So it's not bad. I'm happy with how it worked. We'll try the G44 here next.
All right.
Alright guys, so we swapped out the suppressor, the back cap, so we have it where it's a direct thread on the 44, so there's no need to run the threaded adapter. So let's go ahead and see how this Aguila ammo works. It's been kind of hit and miss. One mag it'll work, one mag it doesn't, so let's just see how it does today. Oh, this stuff is, it's this stuff, 40 grain, 1220 or 1025 feet per second. I did good. I did awesome. So she's pretty lubed up, which I think is helping it. Last time it was a little dry. So we'll do some more testing with the can on these guns and see how it goes.
Film.
All right, guys. So we're gonna do a couple more mags through my Stag. I believe each one of these is another 15 rounds or so of the
10.
Or
I think I got 10 in there.
Okay, 10 rounds. Oh, this is the Aguila stuff. It's this stuff here. Again, it's the subsonic 40 grain, 1025 feet per second. And this is on a 16-inch barrel from my Stag arms. We'll do 2 mags.
Little spoon suppressor.
A little spoon suppressor. mag's quiet, guys. It is super quiet. Wish I had a decibel meter. I'm gonna try to shoot to the dirt here so you can get a little better sound with how it sounds. That's it. Load up some more mags. All right, so now we're gonna try, we're gonna first out of the rifle, we're gonna do, I think I've got 10 or 15 rounds of this Aguila standard velocity ammo. And then we're gonna do 10 rounds of the Winchester super suppressed, just to give you an idea between subsonic and standard velocity ammo. That was a standard velocity stuff. So this is the Winchester subsonics. Not bad with our the little spoon. Love this thing. Hey guys, Jeremy from Nelson Precision. We're out here testing our little spoon suppressor. I'll be running it on my G44 today. I got 5 rounds of standard velocity ammo from Aguila and 5 rounds of subs from Winchester. So let's check it out. How do I turn the camera? So we're doing another 10 rounds of the Winchester, or this is Winchester super suppressed subsonic. And again, I want to show you guys, I'm running our factory guide rod. I don't know if you can see that, the factory Glock guide rod on our EDC slide that was coated by P4 Customs in Tucson. And we're also running our Sig Romeo 0 and our little spoon suppressor. So another 10 rounds. Let's have a go. I guess I gotta take the empty out. There you go, guys. Ran awesome. And again, just for the heck of it, I'll show you. It's a factory guide rod. You can see it's pretty well lubed up. So that was with the Winchester super suppressed. That stuff runs real nice in here. All right, another 10 round, or another couple magazines. I mean, through the AR here. Like you can tell, like the bolt is literally louder than the round. Same stuff, next mag, the Winchester, or the Winchester super suppressed 45 grain. That's it. Load up again and all right guys, another couple mags. The first one on top is the standard velocity ammo. Also, I wanted to apologize for the wind. It's a little windy up here today, but let's do a couple more mags. I think there's 10 rounds in each mag. The first one, like I said, is going to be just your standard. either. It feels like some of these are firing out of battery. A couple rounds is pretty loud pop, but so far this has been running okay, this kit. 2 more mags of the Winchester Super Suppressed through the 44. Yeah, that one was loaded, little nose dove in the magazine weird. Load up again, do some more shooting. Another 10 rounds of the Winchester Super Suppressed through the G44. It's running good. Quiet.